Here's the question. How do I create a Google slide? And then when I do my slideshow presentation, have the slides automatically advance without me having to use a clicker, a mouse, a touchpad, or use the arrow keys? Here's the answer right here. Click this, make your slides whatever you want them to be. And you're going to want to make sure that if you have transitions, you're going to want to make sure the animations are not on click. You're going to want to make sure that they're after previous or no animation or slide transitions on the text at all, because that'll get in the way of this automation. But here's how you do it. You create your slideshow. You hit slideshow. And then look here in the bottom left-hand corner right here. I can go back, I can go forward, I can type in a number if I want to and go to a specific slide, or I can hit the three dots, and under the three dots is autoplay, and I can have it be looped, and I can have it move forward each slide from 1 second to 30 seconds or every minute. Pretty cool. What's under more here? Download, print, keyboard, etc., Q&A. So it's right there. Start your slideshow, come to the bottom left-hand corner, hit the three dots, and hit autoplay. I'm Teddy, your Google Workspace and Gmail guide. I hope this is helpful for you.